the series of algebra. Let us learn more about algebra. You know that algebra, there are two things, variable and constant. Variable, a symbol or letter which can be given various numerical values. And what is constant? That has a fixed value. So here we will learn algebraic expression. So let us see how to form. First example is 7 added to p. Here 7 is constant and p is variable. And here which operation is addition. 7 added to p. It means it is 7 plus p or p plus 7. Both are same. Then p subtracted from 7. It means p which is variable and 7 which is constant. We need to subtract p from 7. It means 7 minus p. Then p multiplied by 7. Here 7 multiply p, or we can write it as 7p also. Right? But not p7. This doesn't look nice. Right? So we will write it 7p. Then p divided by 7. P divided by 7, or we can write like this in a form of fraction also, p divided by 7. 7 divided by p, it can be written like this, 7 divided by p, and in a form of fraction also. 7 subtracted from minus m, it means here minus m minus 7. P multiplied by minus 5, it means p multiply by minus 5. We can write like this, and in a short form we can write like minus 5p also, but not minus p5, right? Minus 5p. Then minus p divided by 5. We will write like this, and in a form of fraction also we can write minus p divided by 5. Let us learn this algebraic expression by this example. Here is a cuboidal box which has height 8 centimeter. Its length is 5 times the height and breadth is 10 centimeter less than the length. Express the length and the breadth of the box in the terms of height. So how we will express it? You know that in cuboid there are 3 dimensions, right? So here are 3 dimensions: length, breadth, height. And height is given to you h centimeter. H is a variable, always remember. Now, what is the length of a cuboidal box? 5 times the height. It means 5h centimeter. Now, what is breadth of a cuboidal box? That is 10 centimeter less than the length. Here length is L, so it is L minus 10. And you know what is the value of L in form of h? That is equals to 5h. So it is 5h minus 10 centimeter. Algebra is used to solve age-related problems also. So here is Mohini is x years old. Express the following in algebraic form. Here is Mohini and she is x years old. 3 times Mohini's age next year. Write this in form of algebra. So how we will write? Let us understand this phrase. 3 times Mohini's age next year. Present age of Mohini is x years old. And what is the age of Mohini after 1 year? After 1 year, Mohini's age will be x plus 1 years old. So 3 times Mohini's age next year. It means 3 multiply x plus 1. Right? Let us solve one more example. You know that Mohini's age is x years old. This is the present age of Mohini. Now let us find out 4 times Mohini's age 3 years ago. So at first we need to find out what was the age of Mohini 3 years ago. So 3 years ago Mohini was x minus 3 years old. So 4 times Mohini's age 3 years ago. It means 4 multiply x minus 3. Now let us understand how to express algebraic equation with two variables. Here is one situation. Again, The situation of Mohini. Mohini is X years old. Now, the present age of Mohini's uncle. If his uncle is 5 times as old as Mohini will be 2 years from now. Here is one more variable. Age of Mohini's uncle. So, Mohini's uncle, let age of Mohini's uncle is Y years old. Now, we need to find out if his uncle is 5 times as old as Mohini will be 2 years from now. So after 2 years, what is the age of Mohini? After 2 years, Mohini will be x plus 2 years old. And his uncle is 5 times as old as Mohini will be 2 years from now. It means y equals to 5 multiply x plus 2. Let us solve one more situation. Mohini is x years old and the present age of Mohini's cousin, he is Mohini's cousin, if his cousin is 2 years less than 1/3 of Mohini's age 5 years ago. Seems complicated? No, it is very easy. At first find out what is the age of Mohini before 5 years. So before 5 years, Mohini's age is x minus 5 years old, and let Mohini's cousin is z years old. Then we need to find out if his cousin is 2 years less than 1/3 of Mohini's age 5 years old. It means z equal to 1/3 of x minus 5. 2 years less means minus 2. So it is the relation between Mohini's age and Mohini's cousin's age. Here are two variables, z and x. So in mathematics, what you need to do? Yes, practice, because practice makes perfect. So do practice.